If you're considering building your own Murphy bed, then you may find that there are a ton of different kits out there. At Wilding Wall Beds, choosing the right Murphy bed kit for you is easy. In fact, we've developed a quiz that asks you a few questions to help lead you towards which kit is going to be best for your needs and for your skill level. Choosing the right kit really comes down to which is more important to you. Is it the ease of build or is it the upfront cost? So the first question, are you looking for a traditional Murphy bed or a Murphy bed with a desk? For a traditional Murphy bed, a Murphy bed project is really comprised of three elements: the lifting mechanism, the bed frame, and you have the lumber. And the total do-it-yourself kit includes all three of those. So this is a great option if you want control over the style and the trim and the finish, but you don't want to have to worry about finding, cutting, and drilling lumber. The S200 includes the lifting mechanism and the bed frame, but does not come with the lumber. So this is great if you still want a relatively easy project, but you don't mind getting the lumber sorted on your end and making those cuts. And it costs about half of what the do-it-yourself kit costs. This brings us to the P100 and the S100. These two kits only include the lifting mechanism, so they don't include the bed frame or the lumber. They're gonna require more work on your end, but they're the least expensive options. For a Murphy bed with a desk, we have two options. We have the S250, which is a simple build, and it leaves you with a nice Murphy bed with a smaller desk on the face of it. We have the D200, which is a much larger desk with a lot of clearance when the bed is down. It's a more complex build, but you're gonna need to be a skilled woodworker who's capable of making some irregular cuts with a router. At Wilding Wall Beds, we have a Murphy bed kit for you. So if you're still confused, head to the website and take the quiz, or give us a call and we can help answer your questions.